Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa umncome emtyibela umfi Richard Maponya ngegalelo lakhe kwezoshishino nasekuphuhliseni uluntu. Umongameli Ramaphosa ukutsho kwinkonzo yomngcwabo kamfi u-Maponya ebanjelwe kwiholo yedyunivesithi yaseRhawutini e-Soweto namhlanje. Lenkonzo yomngcwabo ibizinyaswe nangabo babesakuba ngoomongameli beli ngaphambili, umnumzana Thabo Mbeki kunye nomnumzana Kgalema Motlanthe.
Yaqhuba inkonzo yomngcwabo eSoweto eRhawutini yongasekhoyo ugqirha Richard Maponya nezinyaswe ngabezopolitiko onozakuzaku abezoshishino kunye noluntu ngokubanzi. Owayesakuba umongameli wokuqala weNAFCOC ugqirha Maponya uthi eli lelahlekelwe.
Our country has lost one of the most outstanding black business pioneers and leader who I wish to describe as the best role model and graduate of the School of Hard Knocks.
Umama uFelicia Mabuza Sakli uthi ugqirha Maponya ebengumntu benobuntu.
A young lady walked into the store one time, Papa told me the story, and tried to buy groceries, but I don't think she had enough money. So she took a frozen chicken, hid it under her dress, and as she walked out, somehow I guess it got too cold, and she dropped it. And Papa happened to see it. And Papa said, "Ow, he did not get her arrested. He did not call the cops. He took her into his office, counseled her, found out what the problem was.
Owayesakuba umongameli wa-FP ugqirha Mangosuthu Buthelezi ubulele uba uMaponya ngongamlahli ngexesha wayejongene nobunzima.
I remember many rallies I held in Soweto, which Dr. Maponya sometimes attended. And this was at the height of the verification campaign that was waged against me. At that time, many abandoned their open support for me. But Dr. Richard Maponya remained as a friend and as a patriot.
Unyana kabawo Richard Maponya uthi bafunde lukhulu kutata wabo.
He was getting increasingly worried at the shortage of skills in our country and wanted to play a role in changing the situation, in creating jobs, in alleviating poverty, and especially for youth.
Kwintetho yakhe ephambili umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa umncome emtyibela uba uMaponya.
Today we bid a sad farewell to a man of extraordinary resilience who rose above his circumstances and persevered until he reached the pinnacle of success. And yet he remained humble, magnanimous, and generous. South Africa indeed has lost a visionary business leader who continued with his visionary talent right up to his last days. We have lost a most outstanding entrepreneur.
Ubawo Richard Maponya uza kubekwa kwikhaya lakhe lokugqibela kumadlaka aseWestpark eRhawutini.